Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. We have to change it to the video. Let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right. So here we are. Now let's move to the left corner button. When we pick it, we can open the camera settings. In the video mode, we have video settings at the first place, with video stabilization at the second position. So by using the button from the right, we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here in this device, we have also one extra way to stabilize our video better. So let's move now to the video preview and focus on this settings bar. Let's focus on the third from the left button. Just one tap to turn on super steady recording, another tap to turn it off. So this is really easy. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.